What's going on, y'all? Man, I made some of the tastiest rib tips I ever made. I sous vide them, y'all. And look how tender they came out. Real juicy. Oh my goodness. But anyway, let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS, y'all. That like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if it's your first time here, welcome. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because we love tasty. So of course the first thing we had to do, we had to rain on them. And then we gonna hit it with that rub. Now we're using Kuzan rub. You know that rub out of New Orleans I was telling y'all about? You can just order it straight off the website, y'all. Just straight off the website. Go ahead and give that a real good coating. And then straight into that sous vide bag, y'all. Get it back down and get it into our sous vide machine. And our sous vide machine is set at 195 degrees for 6 hours. Once those 6 hours are up, we gonna get us some aluminum foil. Hit it with your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's. And of course, you wanna put that sauce on both sides. Once we get it sauced up, we're gonna wrap it up in that aluminum foil. Now I always double wrap mine. So of course I'm gonna wrap it once with this aluminum foil, then I'm gonna grab another sheet, wrap it one more time. That just helps lock everything in just a little bit better. Then we're going to get it straight into our air fryer that's set at 295 degrees for 45 minutes. Now you can do the same thing in your oven, just set your temp at 325. Now after there's only 12 minutes left, we're just going to hit it with a little bit of this sweet preacher, just a different rub. Or you can use the same one. And of course, after those 12 minutes are up, this is what we got. That nice, tender rib tip, y'all. And look at that. It was so juicy and succulent. I'm telling you, you want to try this, y'all. It's so good. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.